Yeah, thank you for that. As you rightly said, past couple of months, if you see, pharma gained mainly, because of Biosecure Act, but then Senate blocked it, and now it's backed, of course, with a revised version. Now, just for the benefit of the viewers, what is Biosecure Act? This is a US law proposed to, ban certain Chinese companies. Well, this is because they consider this as a security risk. Now, onto the timelines, let's see what were the timelines. First, it was introduced in Jan 2024, then it was passed by House in September 2024, and on December 9th it was blocked by Senate, and now in August 2025, now it is back with, of course, revision. Now, when I say this is back with revision, let's see what was the old version and what's the new version. In the old version, if you see, the bill was barring certain Chinese companies like BGI, Wuxi Aptech and Wuxi Bio, while in the new bill, they're going to refer to official list of companies which will be updated annually, and currently no Wuxi companies have been included, and this will be updated annually. On to the major beneficiaries when it comes to Indian pharma companies. All the CDMO companies will be actually benefited from this. You have Divi's Lab, you have Laurus Lab, Syngene International, Suven, and Jubilant Pharmova. All these CDMO companies will be actually key beneficiaries when it comes to Biosecure Act. How India will be, or rather Indian pharma companies will be benefited from this, because the US companies will actually diversify their supply chain from China to Indian companies, and a lot of Indian pharma companies, like you talk about Syngene, you talk about Laurus Lab, they actually said in their con call that they are seeing their increase in proposals when it comes to US pharma. Now, let's see what are the commentaries given by Indian CDMO companies when the bill was introduced. Like Laurus Lab has been positive in their con call when it comes to US Biosecure Act. Even Syngene International and Divi's Lab and Newland Lab were also positive in their con calls, citing the reasons that US pharma have been looking to Indian CDMO companies when it comes to CDMO projects, because they want to diversify from China, and they don't want to depend on China when it comes to contract manufacturing. Lastly, talking about how the share price have reacted when the bill was proposed, from Jan 25 to December 2024, you see all the CDMO companies have reacted positively, giving returns from 36% to almost 200%. While on 9th December, when the Senate blocked this bill, all the CDMO companies have given a negative returns on a single day. You see, Divi's Lab was down 2%, Newland Labs was down almost 6 to 7%, while Piramal Pharma was down 7%. So we know that this US Biosecure Act will actually benefit Indian CDMO companies, and now because it is back with the revised version, we may see more benefit when it comes to Indian CDMO companies.